So I acquired this used kerosene heater about 6 years ago. The first thing I did was I replaced the wick on it. So after 6 years of on and off use during the winter, it's time for a new one. You can tell when you need a new wick because the heat output's a lot lower, plus it smells. And you have to remove this top plate to get access to the last wing nut to be able to lift out this assembly that has the wick on it. You can see after 6 years of use, I've burned about an inch off the wick. One of these kerosene heaters in good working order should not smell like kerosene at all when it's burning. It should burn very cleanly. With that said, I just use it in the garage as a cheap source of heat for doing projects in the winter. I'm replacing the wick this particular day because I was painting in the garage and it was too cold outside. I needed the temperature to be above 60 degrees in the garage for the paint to cure properly. I would note that per the instructions, once you get the wick reinstalled and you fill the kerosene back up, you need to let it sit for at least an hour for the kerosene to soak all the way up the wick. If you try to light the wick before it's soaked with kerosene, it will prematurely burn out.
can't guess what I am in the comments, you might get a prize.
And after having trouble trying to fill the kerosene without spilling, I came upon this idea. It's just a little fuel pump that you can put on any gas can. What's nice is it has an auto shutoff on it. This is my other garage trick. I put a fan above and off to the side from the heater, and it draws the hot air that normally would go straight up and blows it in a circular pattern around the garage, so it heats the whole garage up. Works pretty well. Now my clamps can be happily drying, curing at the proper temperature. Thanks for watching.